This was a super exciting installation in Wales, a 4.5 metre long chandelier in these beautiful colours that we partly made in our studio and then built the rest on site, helped by being able to reach everything from the stairwell. We added the last 2 metres of glass over 2 days on site, so we got a little road trip. This was such a brilliant project, and to see the space transformed from start to finish, from the initial visualization and drawings to seeing the chandelier in situ, was a real treat. Feeling very lucky that we get to do what we do.